23 ABC is in your neighborhood with more reporters covering more stories across Kern County. Tonight we're in Bakersfield and Tehachapi.
The Supreme Court handed a major win to the Trump administration on Friday. Some say it could possibly end automatic birthright citizenship to children who are born in this country by undocumented parents. I'm Eric J. Dockery, Bakersfield neighborhood reporter. This ruling could possibly affect generations of Americans in Kern County and across the country.
In January, Trump issued an executive order that denied citizenship to children born in the country to undocumented parents. Several lawsuits were filed to stop the executive order, and the order was halted from going into effect nationwide while the case was making its way through the courts. In a 6-3 ruling, the Supreme Court ruled that the district courts cannot block Trump's policies from taking effect nationwide. Bakersfield immigration attorney Wynn Eaton criticized the ruling.
The court, in today's decision, did something that created a very difficult situation in the United States right now, where Oregon, Washington, whatever, you're born here, you're a citizen here. You travel to those other states, now what? Now what? Think about the chaos here, Eric.
President Trump, however, halted the court's rulings.
We can now promptly file to proceed with numerous policies that have been wrongly enjoined on a nationwide basis. And some of the cases we're talking about would be ending birthright citizenship, which now comes to the fore. That was meant for the babies of slaves. It wasn't meant for people trying to scam the system and come into the country.
Countless families in Kern County have children born in the United States, but whose parents are undocumented. States officials across the country were shocked about the ruling, wondering how this will affect us as a country.
What I anticipate seeing with this is several other states filing suit, and then this probably ending up back, a different case of some sort, ending up back up in the Supreme Court to evaluate.
But the court's conservative majority did not rule on whether Trump can limit birthright citizenship, which is enshrined in the Constitution.
The rights guaranteed by the U.S. Constitution, they belong to everyone in this country, not just those whose state attorneys general have the courage to stand up to this president's anti-democratic agenda. The Supreme Court's decision today is not what we hoped for, but you can be sure the fight is far from over.
According to immigration experts, this ruling goes directly against the 14th Amendment, which states that all persons born or naturalized in the United States and subjects to its jurisdictions are citizens of the United States and the state where they reside.
I'm just very surprised again that they would choose something as fundamental and something so locked in to the core of American law and society as birthright citizenship to go after these nationwide injunctions.
It's important to note that the order will go into effect for 30 days, allowing its legality to be contested even further. For 23 ABC, I'm Eric J. Dockery, your Bakersfield neighborhood reporter.